Welcome back to Curious Classroom Adventures for another math game. My name is Aletha Sheck, and today's math game is all about rounding and place value. We're going to play a game called Number Line Bump. Let's bump over and see how to play.
I don't know about you, but I love the game of bump. So there of course has to be a version for rounding. So to do this one, we're going to use a number line. We're going to play bump on a number line instead of a board. So what you'll need is a partner, a number line, and I like to use a centimeter tape. So this is just, see how it goes all the way to 100? But it's already a number line for me. So I'm just going to use the centimeter tape to be my number line. And then you're going to need the ones dice and the tens dice from your place value dice set. Okay, so to play number line bump, I'm going to have to show you on a smaller part of the number line just so we can kind of see how to play. Let me zoom in a little bit. So here we are between 50 and 70. So I've got 50, 60, 70, and I can go a little bit past that. But let's pretend that I rolled 59. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm the blue counter. I'm going to place a blue counter. I'm going to find 59. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And I'm going to round now. So this helps me, look, I'm really far away from the 50, but I'm really, really close to the 60. So I get to round to the 60. Okay, then let's say my partner rolls, let's do 55. My partner rolls 55. Well, let's say 45 for at first. So let's say my partner rolls 45. So 45 is over here, just off the screen. But as we know, 5, we round up for 5. So we're going to land on 50. Oh, let me move that over a little bit. You can't really see 50. We're going to land on 50. Okay? So, and my partner's green. So we'll put 50 right there. Okay, 45 rounded up to 50. Okay, but let's say I go again, and this time I'm going to do, let's say 71. 71. We'll pretend I rolled 71. You're going to play with the whole number line. I just have it zoomed into this much so we can see. So if I land on 71, right, I'm really far away from 80, but I'm really close to 70. So I'll place a counter on 70. Okay. I'm going to round 71 rounds to 70. So that's where my counter goes. But this time, let's say my partner rolls 66. All right, now 66 is right here, right? And we can move our counters down a little bit so we can see the numbers. 66 is right here, closer to 70 than it is to 60, but I already have a counter on 70. Guess what? The game is called bump. So my partner gets to bump me off, boop, and they get to put a green counter there. Now they have that spot. Now I can roll, and if I have something that rounds to 70, I can bump them off. But for now, they have 70. Okay. Now let's say this time I roll 64 right here. 64 rounds down to 60. Right? It's closer to 60. It's going to round down to 60. I already have a counter there. Well, this time what I can do is I can double up my counters, and now I've locked it. What it means when I lock it, it means that my partner, even if they roll something that rounds to 60, they don't get to have that spot because that spot is locked forever. Now again, you're going to be playing all the way from 0 to 100, right? And your number, the place value dice will let you roll any number there from 0 to 99, right? So you can play with the whole number line. At the end of the game time, when time is up, you will count who has the most counters on the board, and whoever has the most is the winner. Enjoy playing Number Line Bump.